Wow, have a look at this. The latest 300 series Land Cruiser. One thing about Toyota, they never ever knock out a bad product, and these are very impressive. Have a look at this. We've just done a GVM upgrade on it. We have 4 different kits for the 300s. We've got 200 kilogram rear springs. We got 400 kilo rear springs, and we've also got brake upgrades or no brake upgrades. This particular kit has had the Kevlar ceramic brake pads fitted. It's got the upper control arms here. These are called a caster correction arm. Great product. Retail value around about $900, give or take. But it makes the car travel so much better, or track so much better. When you raise a vehicle, you actually lose the caster angle, which is an imaginary line through the middle here. Okay, so when you raise it, you lose that angle. Fitting these arms, we lay the front end back a little bit, and it just tracks so much better. The comments we get from our customers are great.